Hello everyone, my name is Bruce Lucas and I'm an ethical hacker and I want to welcome you to the world of ethical hacking. You know how everybody wants to be online these days, right? And we're spending huge money on data subscription. We're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, different kind of social media platforms. We're even on TikTok watching videos every day, using apps that we really don't know much about. Shouldn't you be interested about your security online? Because there are a lot of scams. Last year alone, we lost over $1.7 billion to cybersecurity scam. Now it gets interesting when you become responsible as an ethical hacker to secure individuals, banks, governments, and different kind of people online. And you're paid to do so. Olotu Square is interested in training ethical hackers. And so we have a bootcamp coming up that is going to introduce you to system hacking, network hacking, social engineering, and also how to hack mobile devices. This is for educational purposes only, which means when you learn this, you're expected to use it for good and become a white hat hacker. Would you like to join us in the training? Click on the link below to register and learn more about the training. And I hope to see you become a hacker very soon. Cheers.